big and loud. I stomped through the field with a moo so proud. A moo. Oh yeah, I said moo.